Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put your BMW 650i in neutral. First, ensure your vehicle's engine is running. With your foot firmly on the brake pedal, gently push the gear selector lever forward past the drive position. You will feel a slight resistance, then the lever will settle into the neutral position. The N indicator should illuminate on your dashboard, confirming the selection. This process is straightforward when the car is operational. For your BMW 650i, engaging neutral requires the engine to be running. This is a crucial safety feature, preventing accidental shifts. Always keep your foot firmly on the brake pedal throughout the entire process. Once you've moved the selector, visually confirm the N for neutral is lit up on your instrument cluster. This ensures the transmission is correctly disengaged, allowing the wheels to spin freely. If you encounter difficulty, engaging neutral first double-check that the engine is running and your foot is firmly on the brake. Sometimes, a quick release and repress of the brake can help. If the N indicator doesn't light up, there might be an issue with the gear selector mechanism or a sensor. In such cases, it's best to consult your BMW 650i owner's manual or seek assistance from a qualified technician to diagnose the problem safely. Remember, safety is paramount when operating your vehicle. Always ensure the parking brake is engaged if you plan to leave your BMW 650i in neutral, especially on an incline. This prevents unintended movement. Understanding your car's features helps maintain its longevity and your safety. For more valuable insights, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.